Hey there, and welcome back to the Nail Chronicle for this super quick and super easy Christmas nail art design. So this week I started out with a OPI base coat and then moved on to some new decals. I've never used these decals before, so I'll slow things down a little bit and take you step by step of how to use these. So they're like a rub-on decal. I got these from Analogy a little while ago. I can't remember when I got them, but it's been a while. So for these rub-on decals, you start off by cutting out the image that you want. For me personally, I try and keep the sheet as one piece, but eventually I know I'll end up splitting it into two or potentially more. Once you've cut out the piece, you remove the backing paper from it so that you just end up with a clear decal, and this can be a bit of a pain sometimes, so you'll see a little jump cut in this video because I did pause it for a second just so you didn't have to watch me trying to peel the back off it for ages. Then pick a nail of where you want it, and the benefit, one thing I really love about stickers is if your nail polish is damaged like I damaged mine, you can put the sticker over the damaged bit and nobody even has to know. It's a cheat's way of fixing up your stuff up. So pop it on and then give it a little rub, and the best tip I can give is make sure the nail polish is not just dry but set as well. So if you think it's soft in any way, wait a couple more hours, wait overnight until you're really sure that it's dry, because you will push it around and will damage the polish even further. That's just how mine got damaged, because I know this particular shade has a tendency to not set for a few hours. So keep pushing, make sure you get all the edges, and you might find that one edge comes free. You can potentially slowly peel it. If you have a situation where, like with the bow, where most of it came off and part of it just ripped up, you can try and reapply it. So just try and realign it for the bit that didn't actually stick to your nail. Try and get as close as you possibly can, pop it on your nail, and then just give that a little rub, and hopefully that comes off. And that actually worked for a couple of my nails where I stuffed it up. My other tip is, if you've got a polish that's taking forever to set, try a quick dry nail polish. So I think I've got one by Rimmel, and that one worked really well in terms of setting my nail polish, and then I just waited to the next day to complete the remainder of my nails. So this is a really easy Christmas nail art design. You could use any sort of stickers. You could use like the water-based decals where you soak the sticker in water as well, or just a sticker that you straight up peel off the sheet and stick to your nail. It just it really depends on what you've got in hand and what you get access to. Most of the time when I'm buying stickers, I'm buying because they look pretty and I have no idea whether I'm getting the water or the rub-ons or any other type. I'm just kind of looking for nail stickers or nail decals. Once you've applied all the decals to each of your nails and you're happy with it, apply a top coat, even if you've already put a top coat on, like the quick dry one that I mentioned earlier, because you want to make sure that that nail sticker stays on for however long you want to keep the mani for. In my case, it's generally a week. And it also protects your nail polish from chipping, so if you want a design to last longer, after maybe 3 days, put another coat of top coat on, and it will just extend your nail polish or your nail art even further. So these are my tips for my Christmas designs. I will be doing a few more designs right up until Christmas. The next design will be I'm thinking like Australian Christmas sort of theme. So I haven't quite worked out the finer details of how that's going to look, but I'm going to see what I could do with the stamping plates that I already have. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've used these rub-on decals before, and also let me know, will you be doing a Christmas nail art design this year? Anyway, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. Bye!